Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie Pink Passport, Doll, and Scooter. I was super excited to see Pink Passport at Target. I love this line because it's all about exploring and travel. At Target, this set was $30.99. Love the outfit. And do I see made-to-move elbows? On the back of the box, you can see other items from the Pink Passport collection. We got those at Toys R Us. Let's get this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, some light assembly is required. There are included stickers for tail lights, mirrors, and the dash. The scooter is lavender and salmon. It has a white seat with a bracket to hold the doll, silver-colored accessories, a kickstand so it can stand up straight, and a basket on the back. This playset also comes with a puppy that has a small hole on the bottom so it can stay put in the basket. There is a large water bottle, dog bowl with a bone, helmet, a pink paperboard passport, a paperboard map, stickers, a salmon and white camera, cell phone, where the apps are printed directly onto the cell phone. It is not a sticker. The doll has on a pair of brown sunglasses and a black choker. She has an off-the-shoulder jumper with a ruffle at the top. I think this outfit is so cute. And it velcros in the back. She wears white sneakers and has a large backpack that can open so you can carry a few things inside. There are so many details on the outside of this backpack. This doll has movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, and yes, that is a made-to-move elbow. And there is movement at the wrist. At the hip, the leg can go forward and back and a little bit out to the side and bend at the knee. So she's not a made-to-move doll, but she does have the made-to-move arms. So she is not a made-to-move doll, but she's got pretty good articulation for a doll that comes with a playset. Oh look, I didn't even notice that. She has an upper arm joint. The made-to-move knees would have been a nice touch, but you know. Overall, I think this is a pretty nice playset. It comes with a lot of accessories, and the dog is pretty large in comparison to other Barbie pets. And the included doll is partially made to move. Let's see her on the scooter. The brace fits around her torso. Put her feet in the open space and hands in the handlebars. And she is ready to go. The wheels really turn, which is cool. And thanks to all of the brackets, the doll has no problem staying put. I am really excited to see more Pink Passport at Target. Thank you for joining me today while we took a look at the Barbie Pink Passport doll and scooter playset. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.